Video. Wie ist der Name? Do you want to start? Okay. They're so sticky.
Yeah.
I think they're pretty... Ich glaube, die sind ganz schön alt. They're huge. Oh God.
How are you gonna?
Chubby bunny. Okay. My turn. Chubby bunny. That's actually unfair because his mouth is smaller than mine. No, in your mouth. All the way. Chubby, you only have two in your mouth. Okay. Chubby bunny. Look, stuff it in there. Say chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Give me that. Oh, chubby bunny. Oh God. Gross. I can hear what you say. No, look it.
I feel like it fit.
That's four.
You're gonna win. Six? Yeah. One more. Okay. You can see you spit out all of them. Do it. Do it.
That was gross.
And that was no fair.
That's okay. Do you want a marshmallow?
Yay. I'm at 6.
Eat it. Silly.
Chubby Bunny!
Chubby Bunny! Also, das war Jacobs Video. Und jetzt findet ihr hier noch das von Ella und hier noch das von Bennett. Und hier unten kommt jetzt zum Hauptvideo und wir hoffen, euch gefällt das Glücksspiel. Right? Okay, so bye. Bye! Let's go wash your hands, silly. Oh, gross. Okay, don't touch anything.